In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLC Media Player. This versatile tool is a favorite among many for playing a wide range of media files seamlessly. So sit back and let's walk through a couple of straightforward ways to play your videos or audio files using VLC Media Player. Let's begin with a simple yet effective method known as drag and drop. First, ensure that VLC Media Player is open on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do so. It's the sleek, cone-shaped icon that you should be familiar with. Once you have VLC open and ready, navigate to the location of the video or audio file you wish to play. Now here's where the magic happens. Click and hold the file, then drag it directly into the VLC window you have open. As soon as you release the file inside the window, you'll notice that VLC is quite intuitive. It'll recognize the file type and start playback automatically. This method is perfect for when you're working with files on your desktop or when you have your folders open already and a quick drop is all you need to get started. Now, let's explore an alternative method. Opening a file from within VLC itself. This method is handy if you prefer to navigate through the player, and is particularly useful when you aren't sure where your files might be located initially. Beginning again with VLC Media Player. Direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the option labeled Media. This is the main hub to access your files. Click on Media, Ineka, and from the drop-down menu, choose Open File. This action prompts a file browser window to appear, allowing you to search through your directories. Carefully browse to the location where your desired video or audio file is stored. Once you find the file, click on it, selecting it for playback. Finally, click Open at the bottom of the window. VLC will promptly start playing your chosen media. Each of these methods offers a simple and efficient way to enjoy your media. Remember, VLC Media Player is renowned not just for its ability to play virtually any file format, but also for its ease of use. Whether you're dragging and dropping or navigating through your files, you should find that VLC reliably delivers smooth playback and an easy user experience. That wraps up our tutorial on using VLC Media Player. Whether you're diving into a new movie or listening to your favorite tunes, you're now equipped to start your media journey with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.